Crispy hot samosas are everyone's favorite, and today I have a special recipe for you all. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes, and today's recipe is Green Peas Samosa. The first step is to soak some poha. So I have 2 tablespoons of poha here and I'm just going to soak it in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. And now I'm going to heat a pan. Into that I'm going to heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next goes in few curry leaves. I'm actually going to put a little more, about 10 to 12 curry leaves. Next is finely chopped onions. So I just have 1 onion here that I've chopped, and I don't need to cook this for a very long time, just a few seconds in the pan. And immediately I'm going to add in green peas, which is the hero of the recipe. I have 3 cups of green peas here. Next into this, I'm going to add in a little bit of turmeric powder and salt, around 1/4 teaspoon, salt to taste. Give this a mix. I'm super excited to know how these samosas turn out. I'm sure you all are equally excited for the shout out section. So stay tuned till the end. Into this, now I'm going to add in just 1 tablespoon of water so that the green peas don't burn out. Cover this and let it simmer till the green peas are half done. Here I've used fresh seasonal green peas, but if you don't have it at home, you can use something as simple as onions too. Find the link of my recipe of onion Patti Samosas in the description box below. The green peas should be half done by now, so let's check it out. Yeah, they seem to be done. And now into this, I'm going to add in some seasoning ingredients. So 1.5 tablespoons of ginger and chili paste, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground roasted peanuts, and the soaked poha. Give this a good mix. So I like the texture of poha in this green peas filling, but it's optional. So if you don't want to add it, you can skip it. And now I'm going to add in the last ingredient, which is a handful of coriander leaves. Give this a good mix and make sure it's a dry filling. This is done. Do not overcook the green peas as it's going to also cook while frying. So I'm going to turn off the flame now and let this filling cool down completely. And for the outer covering, I'm going to use some ready-made samosa patties. So this is the actual size of the samosa patti. If you wish to make small cocktail-sized samosas, all you need to do is cut it by 1 centimeter lengthwise, and then you'll get small mini samosas. But I'm just going to use the entire patti. So take 1 strip, and what I do is basically you have to follow these 2 parallel lines to make all your folds. But the first fold that I'm going to do is going to extend it out of this parallel line and then fold it on the other side. So you get a nice clean triangle and start filling it up. Make sure you fill it up in the level of the patti. Next, fold the entire samosa on the opposite side, and on the edge I just have some plain flour paste over here for sticking. Wrap it up. In case any of your corners are open, what you can do is just take a little bit of plain flour and just apply it over there to seal it so that no oil would go into the samosa. And here we have a nice triangle ready. So I've made a few and the oil is nice and hot as well, and now I'm going to put them in the oil to fry. Make sure you fry them on medium flame. Carefully drop them in the oil. Don't be in a hurry to fry these because all the layers that have been wrapped around the green peas need to cook. The best part about these samosas are you can always half fry them and freeze them. And whenever you feel like eating one, just remove a few from the freezer about half an hour earlier and deep fry them. Flip them over. These are done. Let's get them out. Crispy samosas are ready to plate. Let's plate these. I'm sure it's going to taste as delicious as it looks. Your perfect snack for the evening is ready. Treat your loved ones and don't forget to treat yourself too. I've used green peas for the samosas. I want you all to suggest an interesting filling for the samosa, and the best suggestion is going to get a shout out. Do try this at home, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. See you soon. Bye-bye.